Please listen to this and I promise you won't regret spending next few minutes on this video and will definitely learn something you must know. There's a hacking tool publicly available on the internet for free that can take over your iPhone, your messages, your photos, your locations, everything. And all you have to do is to just visit a website. No clicking a link, no downloading anything, no need to press that I accept on terms and condition on any website. You just visit a website and your iPhone is compromised. That's it. And this isn't hypothetical. The tool is called Darksword. It was leaked on GitHub on March 23rd and it affects approximately 200 million iPhones worldwide. Now, I know what half of you might be thinking. Couple, I use an iPhone, iPhones don't get hacked, that's an Android problem, and I totally get it. Because Apple has spent years in building that reputation. And honestly, for the most part, iPhones are more secure than any other devices. Yes, I agree with that. But here's the thing. That reputation has created a false sense of invincibility. People assume they are safe and they stop updating their phones. And that's exactly what hackers are counting on. Right now, approximately 1 in 4 iPhone users are using an older version of iOS. So let me tell you the full story, what happened. Since at least November 2025, Google's threat intelligence group has been tracking a new iPhone hacking campaign. They are seeing it being used by Russian state-linked actors, commercial surveillance companies, and multiple other threat groups to spy on people in Ukraine, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Malaysia, and China. The tool that they are using is Darksword, a full chain exploit kit that targets iPhone running on iOS versions 18.4 through 18.7. By full chain, I mean it attacks multiple vulnerabilities in the sequence, starting from the web browser and escalating it through the operating system and finally taking the full control of your device. Now, originally, this was a government level spy tool. These tools cost millions of dollars and was used by intelligence agencies. And normal people like us weren't supposed to worry about them. But then, on March 23rd, someone leaked Darksword on GitHub, the world's largest code sharing platform, for anyone to download. And here's what makes this terrifying. Darksword is written in HTML and JavaScript, that's it. Basic web languages. iVerify co-founder Matthias Frilingsdorf told TechCrunch, and I am paraphrasing, that these exploits work out of the box. That means no iOS expertise is required. Anyone can copy, paste, and host on a server and start hacking iPhones. A government spy tool, now available as copy-paste code, open on the internet, available to everyone, and let me show you how it actually works. It's called a watering hole attack, and it's brilliantly simple. The hacker compromises a legitimate website, could be a news site or a forum or a local government page, it could be anything. They inject Darksword code into that website, and now when you visit that website on your iPhone using Safari, the exploit triggers automatically. No click required, no pop-up, no warning, just visiting the web page is enough. That's scary. Darksword chains 6 different vulnerabilities together, including 3 zero-day exploits. Zero-day means Apple didn't even know these flaws existed when hackers started using them. The attack starts with a flaw in WebKit, that's the engine that powers Safari, and escalate all the way to the kernel, which is the core of the operating system. Once they are at the kernel, the game is over. They have full control. And in case you're thinking, couple, my antivirus will catch this, the answer is no. Because Darksword doesn't install any app or launch its own process. It hijacks your existing system processes on your phone. And what do I mean? It's like parasite taking over your own body cells. So basically, your phone's own software does the spying for hackers. So now, the question may arise what it actually steals. Once the Darksword is in, it deploys a malware called Ghostblade. And what it collects is basically your entire life. Text messages, call history, photos, location data, browser history, Wi-Fi passwords, SIM information, health records from Apple Health app, notes, calendar, and yes, your crypto wallet. And the best part for hackers? Most people whose phones are already hacked have absolutely no idea. Because Darksword, it doesn't show any signs. No battery draining problem, no weird pop-ups. Your iPhone looks and feels completely normal while in the background it's sending your data to the hacker's server. And here's the part that even surprised me as a cybersecurity enthusiast. Researchers on X, formerly Twitter, tested the leaked Darksword code. They hacked into their own Apple devices successfully using the publicly available code. One researcher hacked an iPad mini running an iOS 18 within minutes. This is no longer theoretical. The exploit works, it's tested, and it's public. And 220 million devices sitting there to be targeted. And here's what it means in practical terms. For regular users, if you are running any version of iOS which is 18.7 or below, then you are vulnerable right now. Not maybe someday, today. Every website you visit is a potential attack surface. For businesses, if your employee use personal iPhones for work, like accessing their emails or checking the files online, then one compromised phone can become an entry point to your entire corporate network. And for the industry, this leak proves that the era of iPhones don't get hacked is officially over. Okay, so here's exactly what to do right now. Step 1 is to update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General and Software Update, install it right away. If you can install and run iOS 26.3, then do it. If you have an older iPhone, Apple released emergency patches on March 11th for iOS 15 and 16. There is no excuse to be running an unpatched software after today. Step number 2 is enable lockdown mode. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security and turn lockdown mode on. This significantly limits what website can do to your device. Apple specifically confirmed that this mode blocks Darksword. It's free, it's built in, turn it on. Step number 3, if you're using any iPhone that doesn't receive any security patches updates anymore, then I'm going to be very honest, it might be the time to upgrade. I know it's a hard pill to swallow, but trust me, your data is more valuable than holding onto an iPhone. And please do me a favor, after you update your iPhone, please send this to your parents or grandparents or anyone who ignores that software available notifications. They seriously need to see this. And in the end, if this video saved even one person from getting hacked, it was worth making. And please do me another favor, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure and take care.